labeling again. What are you thinking about? Tell me, are you thinking? Do you think? You know, the experts say that most of us are not thinking. We're not really thinking. We're not dreaming. You know, that one good idea could change your company. A few good ideas could change your whole industry and change your life. Imagination is what we do as humans that no other creature can do. You could change the world just through your thoughts. Thoughts create things. Thoughts are things. If you can use whatever you can use your mind to conceive and believe, then you can achieve. You know, these are not my words, these are the words of experts, like Einstein, right? So whatever you really, really can dream up and believe, then you can achieve. In your current job, if you really, really think, if you use your imagination, if you look at things, say for instance, as if a child would, or somebody else, if you didn't look at old dogmas, that's something that Steve Jobs talked about, don't follow old dogmas. If you could break it down, open it up, switch it around, shorten it, lengthen it, put it in another box, change the colour, what would that do to the product? How could that serve the customer better? And who's the customer? And we all serve the customer, right? The customer is our boss, the customer is our family, the customer is the person buying your goods, and you are paid by your customer. Think, use your imagination, use that gold mine between your ears to imagine a better reality for your customer, and your life will change. So, whatever you can conceive, and you can believe, and you can achieve. Change the service to your customer. Think about 5 things that might make their life better. And the more people you can change and make their life better, the more your life will be better. It's very simple. It's just maths. You make somebody happy, and they'll make you happy. It's very simple. Use your mind, dream a little, change a lot. I'm Kevin. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you at the top.